Howdy y'all, Reggie and GrubbZ here today, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of this here Monster Bass box from September. Yeah, we're really excited about this. We love our Monster Bass box. As you guys can see, this motherfucker has not been opened yet, some bitch. So we're going to go ahead and open this bitch up. We don't even know what's in here. So maybe we do, because they sent us a couple lures early. But I still have no idea what's in this box. Now let's open this bitch up. Alright, let's see what's in the box we got here today. Alright, here we got this here Pro Model crankbait from Strike King. That's nice. Y'all know I love them crankbaits. Except really I don't. But I should get better with them. And that's why we like Monster Bass, because it gives us stuff that, you know, we normally wouldn't buy a crankbait. But who knows, this could catch us a pig. It could catch us the biggest bass of the season for us. So we're gonna keep this motherfucker around. We're gonna keep this sumbitch around. Man, that's real nice. Now this here, that's a walkabout. Look at that. Super K Jigs. It's making this top water lure. You know, y'all know we love top water. So that's nice. That's real nice. What else we got in here? Oh wow. Look at that. That's a nice underspin right there. That's a pretty color. Now this from Zero Gravity. It's a hybrid underspin. Called the Airdrop. Look at that. It's really nice. Really nice. Y'all know we love Monster Bass because they give us stuff that we normally wouldn't eat. Like I wouldn't buy an underspin. I know y'all, tons of y'all have lots of success on underspins. I just, you know, I stick to some of my regular stuff. And that's the thing about these Monster Bass boxes, that they take you outside the box. Isn't that nice? What else we got in here? This sumbitch. Oh, that's nice. 8B8 Lab. I think that's what you say there. Now that's a real nice looking jerkbait. Let's go ahead and take that out the box. We want to take a closer look at this sumbitch. This is a, has some writings on here. High-tech bait design, tournament winning action. Now, would you look at that? That's real nice. I love the colors on that. That's a cool looking bait right there. Time we out fishing with Becca, we're gonna have to toss this sumbitch around. She always catch a fish on them jerkbaits, isn't she? That's real nice. That's real nice. Let's put that sumbitch away. What else we got in the box here? Oh, that's nice. That's that 13 Fishing. They make some real nice baits, guys. Now, I put out a review video on Wednesday about my 13 Fishing swim bait rod. Now, that sumbitch sucks. But y'all know 13 Fishing puts out some real nice stuff. Now, these are real nice. Now, the other day I was fishing. I put this thing, I Texas rigged this sumbitch. And, actually caught my first fish of the day on one of these son of bitches. It was windy as shit out and we were having real trouble. Y'all can check that bitch out up above. But this son of bitch has some donkey sauce. It's super mega certified. It's all shiny and nice. That's nice. This is number 17. This is magic sauce. That's the color of this one. Y'all want some magic sauce. What else we got in this son bitch? Oh, Cemetis baits. These guys are real nice. I met these guys at one of them conventions. Make some real nice baits. These are local to New England, I'm pretty sure. That's real nice. They're made in the U.S. Yeah, not in China. China.
China. China. China. China. China. China. China. China. China. China. You go over to China. 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 You take China. 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 I love them.
We got a pair of these big bite baits, and these are nice, guys. Now, we've been fishing with these a few times. We haven't caught nothing yet, but these got a big profile. If you're going to catch a bass on this, it's going to be big. It's going to be nice. This is the BB Kicker. Okay, see that? That's a nice little paddle-tail swim bait. We might be able to catch one of them big striped bass on that son of a bitch. Now, yes, yeah, this is a real cool drop shot. Now, I have not tried this out yet, but you do not need to do anything like a normal drop shot on here. Let me just show you real quick. You come down here, and you're gonna tie your knot on that end right there as normal. Any knot you want. I use polymer, but you could use it every knot you want. And then instead of having to go up through the eye and do all this fancy stuff to make your drop shot work, all y'all gotta do is take that tag end out and put it through that hole right there. And that turns into your drop shot. It just stands right there like that in the water. And you attach your tag end to a weight, of course. I've been liking the little net rig at the bottom of my drop shot. That gives you 2 hooks to hook up now. That's real nice. What else we got, y'all? Oh my goodness, look at that handsome son of a bitch right there. That's my boy, yeah. Oklahoma's worst. He's the worst, isn't he? This son of a bitch caught some big bass this year. If y'all not following Alex, you need to get your asses over to Alex's channel and let him know I sent you. I'll leave him a link down below, along with the Monsterbass channel and the Monsterbass website. Y'all can get boxes on y'all. Now that sticker's nice. I really like that one. That might be one of my favorite stickers there. Monsterbass is made here in America. Now, not all the baits are, but you know Monsterbass is.
China, 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 China. China, 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 China now, China, China. You know.
That's nice. I'm coming with a Bass Care 101 little AFCO sheet here, telling you how to care for your catches when you catch your bass. I see a lot of people that still to this day do not know how to hold a bass, and it really grinds my gears. Let me just show you this now. That's good. You gotta support the belly, and that's good, straight up and down. When you hold the bass like that, you look like an ass. Just to let y'all know. When you hold the bass like, go over that one more time. When you hold the bass like that, you look like an ass. Now, if it's just a little dingy dang dong, it really doesn't matter. You're not gonna hurt the little ding dang. But anything over 2 pounds, you holding like that, it really could hurt their jaw. You don't want that. You're releasing the fish. You want it to grow. You want it to get big and fat and catch it later and maybe be your personal best. You ain't gonna catch a personal bass, you're killing all the bass. Y'all hear me? If you hold a bass like that, you look like an ass. Also, y'all, $10 off at AFCO if you put in this code down here at the bottom. Now that's nice. Y'all want $10 off, you go purchase some stuff at AFCO, you got that as well. Now that's not a bad box, folks. It's not a bad box at all. Another shout out to Alex here, that's my boy. And y'all, if you haven't checked out our new Instagram, all about frog fishing, y'all should go check that out as well if you like frogging. We know Alex loves frogging. We've been featuring him quite a lot. And if you want to be featured, all you have to do is use the hashtag FrogChompers, or go ahead and tag us in any of your frog fishing photos. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Do me a favor, hit that like button, leave us a comment down below, hit the subscribe button as well, and that bell to be notified when we drop one of these bangers. Catch y'all on the next one. Fish on.
Don't finna jump for the shit all top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line with your fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the